This is the Rough Enough Small Tool Bag. It has a rough exterior made of an extremely durable fabric. On the side, it has a built-in handle and a lockable carabiner for attaching it to your belt or another tool bag. The inside is also made of a durable fabric. Inside the bag is a small mesh pocket with a zipper to hold smaller tools and equipment. The lid also has a zippered mesh pocket for holding additional tools, maximizing the amount that you can carry. As you can see, the bag is the perfect size for having an emergency tool bag filled with frequently used tools in your home or office. Or it can be used as an emergency bag filled with tools to keep inside your automobile. When you add in the room added by the zippered bag and the lid, this small bag can actually carry a lot more tools than it appears to from the outside. And finally, it even has a sewn-on strap on the front for carrying even more tools.